ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Jeremy De Almoano from Base Grade 26, and I will demonstrating the proper techniques on a draw with natural shooting and shooting position. This will be done with safety as a top priority. Please observe muzzle discipline and follow all commands. Before we begin, I will remind you the basic firearm safety rules. Number 1. Treat, treat all your firearms as loaded at any time. Number 2. Point the muzzle downrange. Number 3. Keep your finger trigger off until you're ready to fire. Number 4. Beware of your target and surroundings. This demonstration will be dry fire only. This is the natural position. And this is the isosceles position. And this is the tactical barricade position. And this is the proning position. And this is the kneeling position. And the last is the sitting position.